Te Rōhutu Whio, we're very lucky. We've got 3 different hubs. So we've got our Aoraki English medium, our Reo Roa Te Reo and our Hangarau Technology Hub. So our vision is aroha ki te tangata, aroha ki te reo, aroha ki te whenua, so love to the people and love to the language and love to the lands. What we love about every Educade resources is that they fit that purpose really well. Our tamariki are in whānau grouping, so they are all from year 0 to 8. We love the range of resources that can be used from littlies right through to our year 8 children, and we find that the resources really inspire a lot of curiosity. Our teachers loved exploring our local area and all the stories of the runanga, so our teachers have gone out and they have collected a lot of the natural resources, for example rocks and beautiful wood pieces, cones, all those sorts of things, and then brought them back to go with our Every Educade resources, because the Every Educade resources really support that localised curriculum. So Jazzy, can you tell me what your favourite block is?
This one.
And why is that?
Because they're for jasmine.
And what do you do with them in your learning space?
Paint with a jar full of water and then put a little dot at the top with some water and then put all this down.
We loved the way that Every Educade worked with us, worked through the resources and what would work for our spaces and with our furniture design and with our localised curriculum.